Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back. And in this video, we'll be checking out Southwest Florida's future updates. So there was actually supposed to be an update coming out yesterday or today, but update got delayed because Roblox is still down currently. But yeah, we'll be going over the cars that will not be coming in that update because we already did some future updates videos for the update that's coming. So yeah, we'll be starting from probably right here. So we got a JDM car right here. This car is looking real nice. I think this would be really good for a build in game. I think that would look really nice. And then we got a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Pretty nice. I'm not sure what this is. I think this is the free car you get that everybody has. I think they're remodeling it or something. I'm not sure what this car is. I have no idea. Got the this car here again. Pretty nice. Looking real clean. And then we got the Porsche 911 GT3 RS again. Really nice cars. Pretty nice. Again, I don't really know what this car is. And then we got the Ford GT coming to Southwest Florida.
Yes, sir.
Really nice. Check this out. Looks amazing. We have the old Ford GT in game right now, currently, but we don't have this car yet. So yeah, this comes in game. Really nice. Got the Porsche again. Got some more Porsches. Mercedes. Real nice. Lots of Porsches. We got a Dodge Charger. Pretty nice detailing in the back right here. Pretty nice. And then we got the finished Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Looks amazing, actually. Can't wait for this car to come in game. Look amazing. And then we got the Ford GT. Also looks really nice. Got the Mercedes again. Yeah, pretty nice cars. Pretty nice cars. But yeah, that's all that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.